finally figured out the scoring.
What makes this one interesting is that it's got a wavy front, so it's not a flat surface that you're scoring. So you really have to be sure that you hit every. All right.
So you're going for it a couple times then, right?
Yeah, just to make sure I've gotten all my.
And you kind of wiggle the hand a little bit?
Yeah, not too much. Well,
yeah, it's a little bit of a
rough break, but otherwise.
Where's the other one you did just a minute ago?
This one I just did. It's a little more clean.
Okay, so it's kind of a hit and miss.
This is still usable.
Right.
Because we can either sand that. We got files out here. Otherwise, we'll fill it in with grout to give it a more finished look.
Okay, so we did had to practice. Take some practice. I mean, yeah, it took us a while to figure all this out. And then we're using a grinding wheel. We don't have really the proper tools to do this, but
this seems to be working in combination with a hacksaw, but you go through blades like crazy.
And then we have a metal file. We have pliers. I would recommend buying
crimper,
a tile snipper, which we don't have. We should have just gotten one, but we didn't feel like driving back to town. Alright, well, let me just show you really quick. Here's where we're at. So, yeah, and I'm just using one of these little plastic things because I have little hands. And I just put the mud right onto the tile instead of doing a section at a time. We're kind of slow at it anyway, taking our time. And, but yeah, we're getting there. So Nick put up a board between where the stove sits to hold the tiles up. Here's our edge. Our edge lines up with the top cabinet, not with the bottom. So to give it a nice clean finish. Alright, and then here's this side. It's already done. Yeah, and here are the tiles we're using. There's Satori, what's it say? Oh, there's no picture, I guess. But like Nick said, it has you can see it has a wavy top, so it makes it really kind of hard with the scoring wheel. But there's Satori ceramic white, Avenue Pearl white gloss.